Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you a combination of two delicious and refreshing recipes. Today, we'll see how to make Badam Drink and Paan flavored Kulfi using Gits Badam Drink and Kesar Kulfi mix. So let's get started. Let's start with the preparation of Kulfi. To make Kulfi, I'm using Kesar Kulfi mix from Gits. This mix contains real almonds, pistachio, saffron and cardamom powder. With a pack of 100 gram, you can make 4 kulfis approximately 80 grams each. Gits Kulfi mix does not contain artificial color, flavors and preservatives. Now you can easily make kulfi at home with Gits Kulfi mix. Heat a thick bottom kadhai or pan and add 350 ml milk. Use full fat milk. Then add 100 gram of Gits Kesar Kulfi mix. Mix well till the powder and milk is well combined and then cook between medium to high flame for 5 minutes. If you want the mixture to be slightly more thick, you can cook it for 7 to 8 minutes. Our kulfi mixture is ready. I'm going to transfer it to a bowl and let it cool down. So it's very important that you let the mixture cool down. Meanwhile, let's prepare our paan base for our Paan Kulfi. So 3 medium-sized betel leaves or paan ke patte is what you need for this recipe. Transfer them to your mixer grinder jar. Then add half teaspoon fennel seeds, that is Saunf, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, or you can use the prepared kulfi mix. Grind this to a fine paste. Transfer this to the kulfi mix. Next add 1 tablespoon Gulkand. Make sure you do not skip it because it would enhance the flavor of the Paan Kulfi. Next add a few drops of green food color. Mix well. I have added dark green food color, that's why I am adding a few drops of yellow food color. This is the perfect green color I was looking for. You also get free kulfi molds with Gits Instant Kesar Kulfi mix. So I am transferring the mixture to those molds. With 1 packet you get 2 free molds. If you want, you can place the lid that comes with the mold, but today I am not going to use the lid. I am placing an aluminium foil and an ice cream stick inside it like this. Similarly, you can fill the other molds. Freeze the kulfi till it sets. It will take 5 to 6 hours. Meanwhile, let's prepare the Badam Drink. To make Badam Drink, I'm using Gits Badam Drink mix. It's made with real almonds and contains saffron and cardamom that give it a rich taste. I'm going to use 50 gram of Gits Badam Drink with half liter milk. If you want to use the entire 100 grams, you can use 2 liters milk. Heat a thick bottom kadhai or pan and add 500 ml milk. Use full fat milk for better results. Add the Badam Drink powder. With a packet of 100 gram, you can make 14 servings of 150 ml each. Simmer for 5 minutes and then let it cool down. Now let's demold the kulfis and serve Badam Drink. Before demolding, you may remove the aluminium foil, or with the aluminium foil you can place the kulfi molds in water for some time or just rub them between your palms and then it would be very easy for you to demold the kulfis. Finally, top them with some Fennel or Saunf mouth freshener. If you have them, don't skip. Some Tutti Frutti on top and sliced dry fruits or dry fruits powder. Our beautiful and delicious Paan Kulfis are ready. Serve the Badam Drink after you chill it in your refrigerator for some time. Top it with some sliced or powdered dry fruits. You may add some rose petals for decoration or you can skip this step. Product links given in video's description box or you can call on the numbers given on screen to place your Gits order. If you like these recipes, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give these recipes a try and enjoy!